huge, so are the risks. Smart investors do their homework, diversify their holdings, and never invest more than they can afford to lose. If you're new to crypto, start small, learn the ropes, and don't get swept up in the hype. Remember, slow and steady often wins the race, even in the fast-paced world of digital assets. WCFG, wrapped centrifuge. Sounds like a snack, but it's really about turning real-world assets into crypto. WCFG is part of a movement called tokenization, which aims to bring things like real estate, invoices, and even artwork onto the blockchain. By creating digital tokens that represent ownership of these assets, WCFG makes it possible to buy, sell, and trade them, just like you would with Bitcoin or Ethereum. This could open up huge new markets, make investing more accessible, and unlock value that's currently trapped in illiquid assets. Wild, right? If they pull it off, big upside. Imagine being able to invest in a piece of a skyscraper in New York, a shipment of goods in Asia, or a rare painting in Europe. All from your phone with just a few clicks. That's the promise of tokenization. And WCFG is one of the companies leading the charge. If they can build a secure, user-friendly platform and attract enough users, the potential for growth is enormous. But as with any ambitious project, execution is everything. But new tech = lots of unknowns. Tokenization is still in its early days, and there are plenty of hurdles to overcome. Regulatory uncertainty is a big one. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to handle digital assets, and new rules could change the game overnight. There are also technical challenges like making sure the tokens are secure, the platforms are reliable, and the assets they represent are properly managed. And of course, there's the question of adoption. Will enough people trust and use these new systems to make them successful? Last, XCN, Onyxcoin, another crypto play focusing on making digital money work for everyone. Onyxcoin's mission is to bring the benefits of blockchain and digital currency to people who have been left out of the traditional financial system. That means building tools for fast, low-cost payments, easy access to savings and loans, and financial services that work across borders. In a world where billions of people still don't have access to basic banking, projects like XCN could make a real difference. If adoption grows, XCN could shine. But hey, crypto is a roller coaster. The value of digital currencies can swing wildly from day to day, and new projects face stiff competition from established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. For XCN to succeed, they'll need to build a strong community, deliver real value to users, and navigate the ever-changing landscape of crypto regulation. It's a big challenge, but the potential rewards are just as big. So, are these a buy? Do your homework, know your risk, and remember, there's no magic stock. Every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards, and what's right for one person might